In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Google Meet. If you've ever joined a call with a less than perfect backdrop, blurring your background is a quick, built-in way to protect your privacy and keep the focus on you. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to choose the blur strength that works best for your setup. Start while you're already in a Google Meet session. Look along the meeting controls for the More Options menu, the icon with 3 vertical dots. It's typically near the bottom or lower right area of your screen, next to other meeting controls like captions and settings. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. From there, select Background and Effects. This opens a panel dedicated to visual adjustments. Inside, find the section labeled Blur and Personal. This is where Google Meet groups all the blur choices. You'll see options that range from a light, subtle blur to a stronger, more pronounced blur. Select the blur level you prefer. A light blur keeps your surroundings softly out of focus while still showing some shape, which can feel natural and uses a bit less processing power. A stronger blur hides more detail in the background for maximum privacy and a clean, studio-like look. Take a moment to preview how each option looks before you settle on one. The preview updates quickly so you can click between levels and choose what feels best for your lighting and environment. If you're in a bright space with good contrast, even a slight blur can be enough. If your background is busy or you're in a shared space, the stronger blur can keep things distraction-free. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of blur. Make sure your face is well lit so the camera can separate you cleanly from the background. Facing a window or a soft light can help. If you notice your video stuttering, try switching from strong blur to a lighter blur to reduce the load on your device. And remember, you can return to the same background and effects panel at any time during the meeting to adjust the level or turn blur off if you need to show something behind you. That's all there is to it. Click the 3 dots, open Background and Effects, and under Blur and Personal, pick the blur strength that fits your situation. With just a couple of clicks, you'll look polished and stay focused on the conversation without worrying about what's happening in the background.